So we're going to do midpoint formula really quick. So basically midpoint just means exactly what it sounds like, halfway. So you're just trying to find the halfway mark between 2 points. The midpoint formula is this right here. You got x1 plus x2 over 2 and y1 plus y2 over 2. So in this case, let's let P1 be x1, y1, and then let's let this be x2, y2. So what you're going to do in this case is you're just going to, so you're going to do x1 plus x2 over 2. So in this case, it would be negative 3 plus 2 over 2 to find the midpoint. And for P2, or for the y's, it'd be 5 plus 1 over 2. And then you'd have, let's see, negative 1/2 and 6 over 2, which reduces to negative 1/2 and 3. So what in the world does that mean? That means that if you look at point 1, which was negative 3, 1, so it's be 1, 2, 3, negative 3, and then 1. And you look at point 2, which is 2, 5, so 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, somewhere up here. The halfway point between the two would be negative 1/2, this right here, negative 1/2, 3, which makes sense. It's about right here. So this would be your midpoint. Okay, so let's do one more. For problem B, we're just use the midpoint formula. We've got x1 is 5 plus x2 is negative 2 over 2. And then we've got, for the y values, we've got negative 4 plus 3 over 2. So we got 5 minus 2 is 3, so 3/2, it does not reduce. And negative 4 plus 3 is negative 1 over 2, does not reduce. That's it.